On September 13th, 2025, Toronto's Christie Pits Park will take center stage in a heated national debate. From 1 to 4 p.m., the group known as Canada First is organizing a rally. Their message: stricter immigration controls, lower immigration levels, and mass deportations. Supporters argue this is about protecting Canadian jobs, culture, and security. But an hour earlier, at 12 noon, a counter-protest begins in the same park. It's called No to Hate, Yes to Immigrants, a family-friendly gathering with music, food, and workshops, all promoting inclusivity and unity. The choice of Christie Pits Park carries history. It was the site of the 1933 Christie Pits Riot, a violent clash fueled by anti-Semitism. For critics, holding the rally here risks reviving old wounds. For Canada First, the location underscores what they call the stakes in their fight for national sovereignty. Toronto councillor Diane Sachs has denounced the Canada First event as a hate demonstration. She has refused to grant permits for amplified sound, and police hate crimes units are on alert. Still, organizers insist their focus is policy, not targeting any one group. As September 13th approaches, tensions rise. For some, the rally is a patriotic call to shape Canada's future. For others, it is a dangerous echo of the past. On that day, Christie Pits Park will not just be a park. It will be the stage for two competing visions of Canada, standing face to face.